Hey viewers, I thought it was about time for another video. This is what I've been up to the last month or so here. Slowly been acquiring parts for this thing. It's a FPV quad. I guess if you're watching this you probably know what it is. But as you know, I've got the I had gotten the Mavic Pro a couple months back now. Been flying it around, taking pictures and aerial videos and stuff. That's all fine and dandy, but a monkey can fly that thing, and I was frankly getting kind of bored with it. Like I say, over the past couple months I've been buying parts slowly and building this thing up. We'll just go over this stuff real quick as far as what I used, cost, and so forth. Basically I had nothing to get into this, so it was fairly expensive to get started, but now that I've got everything, if I ever build another one, which I do have another frame I'll eventually build up, but for now this one's going to work. Anyway, the Armatan or Armatan, however you want to say it, the chameleon frame is what I went with there. I'll go over all the components here in a minute, but I got the quad itself. I went with the Aomway Commander V1s and the Tyrannus X9D Plus. That's all the big stuff. Over here I bought myself a ISDT Q6 Plus charger. Already had a cheap power supply from a long time ago, and that turd, well, it works, but it's not the greatest. Doesn't have any balance leads or anything, so I didn't really want to use it too much. Yeah, there's that stuff. Real quick here, I don't want to make this video too long, but here's the list of build components. The frame I actually got, quote, used. It was assembled and built up, but it was never flown. $75 is what I paid for that, and when it arrived in the mail, you could clearly tell it was never flown. I mean, it was still mint. There was, of course, marks from where the motors were clamped down and stuff, but that's the marks are there now anyway, so who cares? $75 was a pretty good deal on that. The ESCs are the Speedix ES30s, 30 amp obviously. The motors I went with the Race Day quads, 2205, 2450 kV. They, I think, are made by Brother Hobby, it said on their website. Flight controller was a CL Racing F4. Props are the Dal Props T5046C. The receiver, I went with the really tiny RXSR. That thing is like tiny. The VTX is the Mach 1 by RDQ, Race Day quads. The camera, I went with the Runcam Swift 2 controller or transmitter. The X9D Plus goggles, told you, the Aomway Commander V1s, and the batteries. This is all I got right now. I didn't write the exact specs, just a 3S and a 4S. 4S for the quad, 3S for the goggles. Some extra XT60 connectors, charger, power supply. So anyway, starting from scratch, $904.02 is roughly what I spent. Something I did forget to put on there is the VTX antenna. I think that was around $15. Just now realized that wasn't on there, but yeah, about $15 for that. So now down here I deducted or subtracted all these ones with stars. Basically that's stuff that you would already have if you were already in this hobby. So to build the quad itself, it was right around $300. So that's what I figured out anyway. I just added this up tonight because I wanted a rough idea of how crazy I am. Anyway, there's what we got so far. I'll get you a couple close-up shots of this here, and that'll be it until we get her out and in the air. I did fly it line of sight already, but I just now tonight got the FPV gear hooked up and working, so there's motors. Didn't do anything fancy with the ESCs, just covered them up with, they are shrink wrapped, but I just covered them up with electrical tape as a little bit of protection. Flip this around here. I don't know if you saw it, but the receiver is right there. I mean, it is puny. Back there in the back's the VTX video transmitter. These rigged up things here are the receiver antennas, one on each side, aiming forward. So yeah, that's it for now. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. It'll probably be a little while here before I get this thing outside because it's like 15 degrees and I guess there's snow on the way. So, but when it does come time, I will have DVR footage and maybe have someone record the line of sight footage for me. But till then, see ya.